3 went out, 2 come back.
Me and Mike were choking. I couldn't even breathe.
Choking wasn't the word. I was panicked for about a second.
I thought I was dying.
Where's the thing in the water floating?
Probably copperhead snake, moccasins. The SS.
Oh.
You missed it, Lisa? You didn't even see us? Huh?
No, I saw you trying to lift the boat up.
What?
Look,
Did
you
you
did
see
see
us?
the boat on the dock?
I could hear Lisa laughing, and I'm like, what the hell is she laughing at? And then I go over there, and I see the boat.
I know, it was a YouTube moment. I'm telling you.
Got that one.
Did you get that, Lisa?
This is going on something.
What did you get that?